guys, this is a really quick video, kind of a beauty tip video. So I was at the mall the other day and there is this beautiful high-priced homemade cosmetics shop. And I was in there, it smelled really good, I was just kind of curious, and I realized they were selling something that I actually make at home for a tiny fraction of the price. I think their container was like maybe this big and it was like $48 or something. It was crazy. And anyway, it was a shampoo. So I wanted to share this because I didn't realize this was like a high-priced commodity. I did realize that it's awesome and I love it. So ladies especially, this might be more so for you. Maybe not if you're an open-minded dude, but what I do, if you look at my shower, I have a huge thing of sea salt next to my shampoo. And salt is just a natural cleansing, neutralizing crystal. Supposedly we creeped out of the primordial ooze from the ocean. You know what I'm saying. Everyone knows salt has cleansing and has great conductive abilities and is a beautiful crystal. I've got salt lamps all over my house. You get the idea. So what I do, I take my shampoo and it's just like regular shampoo. It's not anything really fancy at all. I do get the kind that I think smells good though, because that's awesome. But I take the salt and I put the shampoo in my palm and then I just dump a bunch of sea salt into it. That's it. And kind of smush it around, and that's what I use for my shampoo. And if you do this, it's awesome because you're putting that directly on top of your crown chakra. So you are really cleansing that beautiful spot of ours that is the connection spot. Our heart is for sure, but so is our crown chakra. And think about your head space, your mind space. Your brain's up there, your brain's cranking all day. Probably if you're like me, doing a little bit of worrying, what have you. That area is such a cooked area all the time. And this is such an easy way to make a pretty big difference in the way that you clean yourself. This is spiritual cleansing as well as physical cleansing, and it's so cheap when you do it this way. There is no need to spend $50 on this tiny little bit of something that you can make. I don't know how much is a thing of salt, like a couple bucks. So anyway, I hope this helps. Try it. It's awesome. I also when I use my body wash, I'll put some in there too. Get creative, use it liberally. It really does help. So, all right, all my thanks and love.